In this video, we will show you how to publish Squarespace website. You can see here when we open our default Squarespace website, it's private site. We can make our private site into public. To set as public, you need to log in into your account and go to your dashboard. In here, you can select your website that related you want to make as public and select settings in the menu and select seat availability, and in here we can set public. To set the public, we must upgrade to publish here. Then we can select a plan. You can pay annually or pay monthly, and for example we select this if you want. If you don't want to make the public without or with a payment like this, you can just go to back on availability and choose password protected and type your password you want. For example, I type password 1 until 5 and click save. Then we can reload our website, and with free account or trial account we can make our website public, but with password. To free from password, you need to upgrade your account. Voila, now our website can access with password. And hope this video helpful for you.